Today I'm repotting this tomato for a second time. Give me a couple of minutes of your time and I'll show you why I repot a second time, how I know how to do it, and at the end of the video I'm going to give a full demonstration on how to do the repot. There's a couple of reasons why I repot a second time. The first is space. Sure, I could put this in the grow bags that I actually have back here, but the problem is I actually have full tomato plants back there and I want to give them some more time to produce tomatoes before I do that. Now, the second more important reason is I have always found that the more you repot a tomato, the stronger it gets. The further you bury it down, the more roots come out the side, you end up with a stronger plant, and then you end up with more fruit. If you look at the size of these leaves and the size of the container, you can tell they're really hanging over the edge. This plant's going to get root bound and needs to get out of this container. So let's get into the demo right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this container and I'm going to fill some potting mix into it. And I'm just putting enough so that the tomato's not buried too deep into the container. So I'm just going to add a bit more and put it down here. Now I'm going to take my tomato plant, put it between my fingers, flip it upside down, squeeze the container a bit. And here comes the tomato plant. Putting it into the larger container. I'm going to hold it in place. And I'm going to add potting mix around it. So I'm bringing the potting mix right to the top of the tomato here. A little bit more. And as you can see, I buried it right up to the first leaves. So now I've completed repotting for a second time. Have you ever tried repotting a second time? And if you have, how's it perform for you? If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you want more content like this, press subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you next time.